This is a screenshot of the start picture in RStudio. To your left in the upper corner, you'll find the editor. This is where you write your commands, that is what you want R to do. This is also called your script. Below, and still to the left, you'll find the console. Here your results will appear once you've run the command lines you wrote in the editor above. In the upper right corner, you can see your history of imported datasets and their structure. This is also where you import datasets, if you use the predefined methods in the program. For options regarding packages and plots, you have to go to the lower right corner. Installation and login of packages will also come later on in this book. And remember, there's always plenty of help to get online. You can try Google and YouTube. Let's take a closer look at the editor. That was in the upper left corner of the screen. All commands you need, you have to write in the editor yourself. You can write them directly there or find an old script to copy from. You'll find the last solution very helpful. I use this option most of the time. By placing the cursor on the line you need executed and clicking Ctrl Enter in Windows or Command Enter on Macs, RStudio runs your command. There's also a Run option in the top banner of the editor. If you need more lines to be run at the same time, you simply mark them all and run them. The blank sheet with the green plus sign is where you start your new blank script. You open an existing one by using the file folder icon, and finally you save the current editor on this icon. And one more thing, the editor window might not be visible when you open RStudio. Just use the option of either opening an old one or creating a new one, and then the window appears. So let's move on to the console. That was in the lower left corner. This is where you can see commands that you told RStudio to run in the editor and the results of the commands if there are any. And it's called the output. It's not a good idea to save the contents in the console as it takes up too much space on your computer. It can always be recalculated by running your saved commands and/or script from the editor. When you see the blue greater than or angle brackets in the console, it means that I'm ready, bring on some new commands. If the blue greater than or angle bracket is not appearing, it means that there is some kind of error in the script. You then reset the console by clicking the escape button. It's always possible to write directly in the console, but the text will not be saved. So my advice to you is always work and save your work from the editor.